engineering firms, especially small and medium-sized companies, face significant challenges. Designs are more complicated, while pressure to deliver parts, assemblies, and products on time and on budget have never been greater. Well, there's a new generation of cloud-based engineering software tools that give unprecedented power to smaller firms, power that was once reserved only for big OEMs. I spoke with 3 experts in the field at the Engineering Roundtable. Take a look. Intellectual property matters. We live in a world now where competing corporations and sometimes foreign governments are very interested in high technology engineering solutions that are cloud-based, of course. We know that there are arguments worldwide about whether patents can be enforced, whether copyrights can be enforced, or more importantly, just whether or not you can spend a lot of money to develop a new product and then find a competitor coming from another country at half the price using your technology. It's with cloud-based systems, can data be protected tightly to prevent this kind of thing?
Yeah, I think definitely. I think especially if we're talking about smaller and medium enterprises, the cloud solutions offer great advantages in comparison to like keeping all their data on premise. The cloud-based solutions can only offer added protection, I would say, in this case. Because usually they are based like on a role-based model. They have data encryption in place. If we are speaking about our cloud solution, about the 3D Experience platform, there's a whole company called Outscale sitting behind it, which is only focused on making this cloud technology as safe as possible. We are also paying external companies to actively attack our infrastructure to try to, let's say, steal data, steal IP. And I just think that the cloud solution offers a much safer environment for many companies because they just do not have the internal resources and also often the knowledge to make their data as secure as it would be if it was on the cloud.
Florian, what is your comfort with the security of cloud-based systems? Are you worried about protecting your intellectual property? I mean, you have unique IP.
Yes, we do. And because we work with the cloud data, it's very easy for us to manage the access of different employees, because you can easily do that by user groups, for example. And also there is a own documentation and certification center. So in our audits, we provide the auditors just the data. Look, this is done with our data. Those were the tests. This is the certification the SO has done. And because we are a small, or I would say medium company, and this is for us in terms of certification and data safety much more, or we have more benefit as we would do that instead on our own, like working with user rights on the local server, setting up the firewall in the correct way. So I would say it's easier if you use the cloud data.
When it comes to startups, when it comes to small-sized enterprise, the cloud-based solution on our platform is very beneficial, because I mean these companies they have not the possibilities to spend the money for setting up a big IT infrastructure, especially during the starting phase, where they should focus on developing their innovation. Within 1.5 year, and then the investor will see a first product running in operation. So they have not the money, and they have also not the focus and the attention on setting up a IT infrastructure or spending the money for setting up an IT team. Yeah. So to organize all that stuff, all the security, also when it comes to IP control, data control, and so on. So that is also, in my opinion, this is really a benefit for using cloud-based systems, especially when it comes to startups or small size.